Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Cooking with Crystal. Today we are going to make an easy, quick and delicious mushroom and peas dish. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more amazing recipes every week. Let's dive into the ingredients. 400 grams of chopped button mushrooms, 2 chopped tomatoes, 200 grams green peas, 2 finely chopped green chillies, 10 to 12 garlic cloves grated, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Let's start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any cooking oil of your choice. Once hot, add 20 grams of butter and let it melt. Add the finely chopped onions and fry them until they turn translucent. After that, grate 10 to 12 garlic cloves directly into the pan and saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the 2 finely chopped green chilies and fry for another minute on medium heat. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir well to combine all the spices. Now add in the 2 chopped tomatoes and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, letting them cook down. Once the tomatoes are softened, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a quick stir. And toss in 200 grams of green peas. Cook this mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, it's time to add the 400 grams of chopped button mushrooms. Mix everything together thoroughly and cover the pan with a lid. Let the mushrooms and peas cook for another 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once the mushrooms and the peas are tender and well cooked, remove the lid. Your mushroom and peas dish is now ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this simple yet flavorful mushroom and peas recipe with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Cooking with Crystal for more delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!